In this video, you are going to see how to insert a calendar in Microsoft Excel, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert a calendar, we just need to activate the Developer tab. Go to File, go to Option, go to Customize Ribbon and click on the Developer option and click on OK. Then you will get the Developer tab over here. Now go to Developer, go to Add-ins and over here click on Store and search here Calendar and you will get the mini calendar and date picker. Click on Add, click on Continue, then it will be added in your Microsoft Excel. Now you can move it or you can keep it like this. If you want to change the calendar theme, you can change it from here. Now select the cell. Now choose the date. You can change the time, year from here very easily. Click on over here and choose the date, and this is looking perfect. If you want to remove it, just click on the border and hit the delete button, then it will be deleted. If you want to add it again, go to Developer, go to Add-ins and click on Mini Calendar, then it will be added. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.